ASDC called for a press conference over Mukro incidents row on 28th of November at Dipu. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council observed 68th death anniversary of Khorsing Tirang on 28th of November. Citizens demand removal of Kangbura killing executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from EM's birth. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 28th of November, Autonomous State Demand Committee ASDC called for a press conference at their head office, Dipu, over the Mukro incident row. It was informed that on 19th of November, a joint delegations of Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Nimsoching Thorasong and Karbi Students Association submitted a memorandum to Amit Shah, Home Minister of India, through Sarbananda Sanwal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Ayush Gol, and Horan Singh Bey, members of Parliament. Daniel Teron, Publicity Secretary of ASDC Central Committee, informed that the memorandum was submitted with regards to the interstate border disputes along West Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya border and the unfortunate death of the forest guard Vidya Singh Lekhe in the hands of timber smugglers at Mukro. Teron also informed that an appointment with Amit Shah, Home Minister of India, to discuss about the thorough and specific interstate boundary was taken on 10th of the following month.
Isi bangke latung forest akiem ta meke ya. Lalu ini tu people bangke la forest akiem meke kaya tak putut cikim tu nai. La penke la dah tu kali more border outpost la hoya lama Meghalaya kan bangke more border BOP trade tu nang la kandulia sektor saya ada AMI polo Meghalaya so 1979 ni kan border post nang kinta ladang ka trinam sonowalta forensic BNP dan angka cicatun makin itu immediately central sarkar kan take up.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 28th of November, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council observed the 68th death anniversary of Khorsing Tirang, the first chief executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then Meeker Hills District Council at Dipu. At early hours around 8 a.m., Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, led Team Karbi Anglong observed the garlanding ceremony of Khorsing Tirang at Old Khorsing Tirang Memorial Park near Casa Stadium. And after a short while, they advanced toward the new memorial park of Khorsing Tirang near the CEM's official bungalow at Dipu to observe the garlanding ceremony at the statue of Khorsing Tirang. Followed by a prayer service from different religious groups such as Kacharhi, Gita Path, Bible reading, Guru Granth Sahib Path, Quran Path, Kirtan Path, Lokhimon prayer, Karbi Bhaktitom Trust were offered on this occasion. After the prayer service was completed, deliberations on the life and works of Khorsing Tirang, the first chief executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then Meeker Hills District Council, was organized and the event was inaugurated by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, present CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Padma Shri Professor Rongbong Terang deliberated the life and works of Khorsing Tirang truly at the event, and as many as 22 poets took an opportunity to recite their poems on Khorsing Tirang, first CEM of the then Meeker Hills District. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Padma Shri Professor Rongbong Terang, Padma Shri Dhaneswar Inki, Horan Singh Bey MP, Vidya Singh Ingleng MLA, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Raju Tiso, Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, EMs, MACs, heads of the department and several important dignitaries attended the ceremony.
Niang song kedo pen alang ni deng dong rek ni kedo long yapan hempum krang pida sing yapan hang pido la son ta sedak pini na je tong lun MP MLA MEC EM speaker deputy speaker ka hai pen chenglok ka tamni dak tok bang atum hirji ratum pen chenglok dak Potmosri Rongbong Terang ka hai Dhaneswar tie ka hai Potmosri alang tum na je tong nun si alang phan kharjong deng dong rek ni kedo long yapan sining song.
Longsodar Ingtis report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. On 28th of November, citizens demanded removal of Kangbura Killing, EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from EM's butt after the label news cops as terrorists during a leaked telephonic conversation. As per the date scheduled by the Press Council of India, PCI, to observe 16th of November as National Press Day of India. Likewise, various news clubs of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong were also engaged in the preparation for the great event. Amidst the preparations for the observations of National Press Day, on 15th of November, a telephonic conversations of Kangbura Killing EM in Church Town and Country Planning was leaked and came into limelight after it was found that he had labeled and compared media fraternity with a terrorist. Hence, we disregard West Karbi Anglong District Press Club condemned his allegations and demanded his removal from EM's board of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It was reported that a memorandum was also submitted to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, through the OSD of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Branch Secretariat at Hamren. But no any action was found taken against Kangbura Killing. Therefore, on 28th of November, various leaders of social and students organizations like Prasanto Ingti, Secretary of Karbi Students Association, Hamran Regional Committee, Timothy Rongpi, President of KSA Hamran Head Branch, Habe Riso Singh Teron, Advisor of Longri Krehini Sar Habe, amidst turn up for the protest and requested Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to take stern action against Kangbura Killing and remove him from EM's board from his remarks.
Sa Tuliram Ronghang CEM ka hepe apanda dili chunigilo alang panje EM pen pisuli pusi nilin pen chunigil
pinangan kiongdung media abang pubang pitumpan la son lang e joy pipe la pen extremist terrorist pugi pubang ke lage chok chipilo la.
Prasanto Ingti, Secretary of KSA Hamlet Regional Committee, while speaking to us, said speaking to the media person while he was drunk is questionable towards his moral ethics, and labeling media fraternity as terrorists is totally unacceptable. If no any action is taken against Kangbura Killing in the days to come, then larger agitations would be conducted.
Bianglong kacari politum CM ke hai angke tum non aning honduk abang alang litum aphan aning kapang sami bang mesa na decision enai pusin alang lipan chuning ril.
Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.